Today, you will solve the no material widget found assertion error in Flutter. You will create an app that produces no material widget found error. Then use the material as an ancestor to solve this problem. Before starting this video, I just want you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so that you will find the notification of all Flutter solutions. First, you will create the sample project, and in this sample project, you will remove the comments and other stuff, and after that, you will just create a home screen widget. After creating the home screen widget, inside the container, you will just replace this container to the column widget. And inside the column children, you will create a text widget. And you will write the text hello. You will save the project. You will see the hello on the screen. Let's move this hello to the center of the screen. Let's save this project. Now you will create the error by just adding the text field widget inside the column. Let's save the project. You have successfully created your first error. For removing this error, you will just wrap the text field inside the material widget. You will save the project and you can see you have successfully removed this error. You can also remove this error by just wrapping this column inside the scaffold. So let's remove this material and wrap this column inside the scaffold. And change this child to the body. You will save this project and you can see you have removed this error. Your error will be gone when you wrap the material widget around the text field. If you want to motivate me to create more solution videos like this, then press the like button and give suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.